Welcome back, Leo. Today we're diving into one of the most useful real-life English topics, shopping at the supermarket.
Finally, something I actually do. Almost every day, unfortunately.
Same here. Groceries basically steal half of my salary.
And my soul.
Good. So your soul is warmed up. Perfect for an English lesson. Today we're going to focus on 5 essential phrases you must know to survive any supermarket in an English-speaking country.
5 phrases? That sounds too easy. Suspiciously easy.
Don't worry, Leo. They're simple but powerful. And I'm going to make you practice like a real customer.
Uh-oh. That means you're going to pretend to be a cashier again, right?
Exactly. You have no escape. But before we jump into the role play, let's start with phrase number 1. Repeat after me. Where can I find?
Where can I find?
Perfect. This is one of the most common questions you'll need in a supermarket. You can complete it with anything, like where can I find the milk? Where can I find the pasta? Where can I find the frozen food?
I use this one a lot even in Portuguese. I never know where anything is.
Same. Every supermarket hides things in different places just to keep us humble.
Yes. They move everything every 2 months. Why?
To test your emotional intelligence. Now let's practice. Leo, ask me where the eggs are.
Okay. Where can I find the eggs?
You can find them in aisle 4. Great. Easy, right?
Easy. I'm feeling confident, which means something terrible is about to happen.
Don't worry, Leo. Phrase number 2 is even easier. Repeat after me. Do you have?
Do you have?
Excellent. This phrase is perfect when you're not sure if the store has what you want. For example, do you have almond milk? Do you have gluten-free bread? Do you have this in a larger size?
I love how this phrase works for anything. You can use it in supermarkets, stores, life, relationships.
Yes, but don't say, do you have emotional stability? People will run away.
Good tip. I'll save it for later.
Now practice. Ask me if we have orange juice.
Do you have orange juice?
Yes, it's right next to the sodas. Nice, you're doing great so far.
You always say that before making things harder.
I mean, you're not wrong. Repeat after me. Is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Beautiful. This phrase saves money, so it's already my favorite. You use it when you want to know if an item has a discount.
I use that a lot, even when I already know the answer is no.
Same. But sometimes we get lucky. Let's practice. I'll pretend to hold a box of cereal.
Okay.
Ask me if it's on sale.
Is this on sale?
Yes, 2 for the price of 1 today. See? Sometimes miracles happen.
If that happened in real life, I'd buy 14 boxes.
And regret it later when you have 7 kilos of cereal at home.
Worth it.
All right, you've learned 3 essential phrases already, but we still have 2 more, and the next one is super useful when you need help with products. Repeat. Excuse me, I need help with.
Excuse me, I need help with.
Great. This is perfect when you want help choosing something, comparing brands, or understanding a label. You can say things like, excuse me, I need help with this product. Excuse me, I need help with the price. Excuse me, I need help with the meat section.
Oh, I always need help in the meat section. Everything looks the same to me.
Same. I'm like, is this beef? Is this pork? Is this a mystery?
Exactly.
Practice time. Ask me for help with the cheese.
Excuse me, I need help with the cheese.
Sure. What kind of cheese are you looking for? Nice job. Look at me, surviving the supermarket in English.
And we're not even done yet. We still have one more essential phrase, but let's save it to continue smoothly.
All right, Leo. Ready for the final essential phrase?
I was born ready. Actually, no, but go ahead anyway.
Perfect attitude. So here it is. Phrase 5. Repeat after me. Can I pay with?
Can I pay with?
Excellent. You use this at the checkout when you want to know if they accept a certain payment method. For example, can I pay with card? Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with my phone?
I usually ask, can I pay with good vibes? It never works.
No wonder you get strange looks. Let's practice. Try asking if you can pay with a credit card.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, go ahead. Nicely done.
Great. So now I can officially buy snacks in English.
Yes, you are now internationally snack ready. But we're not stopping here. Now that you know the 5 key phrases, we're going to use them in real supermarket situations.
Oh boy, here comes the chaos.
Exactly. Let's start with asking where things are. I'll be the store employee. You're the confused shopper. Ready?
I'm always confused, so yes.
Perfect. Go ahead and ask me where something is.
Excuse me, where can I find the rice?
You can find it in aisle 2, next to the beans.
Great, that was simple.
Now ask about something else, but choose something more specific.
Where can I find almond butter? I don't even eat almond butter, but it sounds healthy.
Aisle 9, organic section. And yes, almond butter is what people buy when they want to feel healthy without actually being healthy.
That sounds accurate.
Now let's move to our next scenario. This time, I'm a busy employee stocking shelves. Go ahead and ask if we have something in the store.
Do you have oat milk?
Let me check. Yes, it's in the refrigerated section.
Nice. Let me try another one. Do you have gluten-free pasta?
Yes, it's right over there with the specialty food.
Look at me, asking for fancy products like I'm rich.
The power of English learning. Next scenario. Imagine you're holding a bag of coffee. You want to know if it's cheaper today.
That would be a dream. Coffee prices are evil.
True. Go ahead.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
That will be amazing. I'd buy 10.
And then cry later when you realized you spent too much money.
Classic adult life.
Exactly. Let's practice one more. Ask about cereal.
Is this cereal on sale?
No, but it might be next week. Nice job. Okay, Leo. Imagine you're standing in front of the giant wall of pasta. 20 different shapes you've never seen.
That's real life for me.
Perfect. Ask for help.
Excuse me, I need help with this pasta.
Sure. What type are you looking for? Spaghetti? Penny? Fusilli?
Yes,
That wasn't an answer.
that's exactly what happens to me in real life.
Fair enough. You're doing great. These phrases are sticking. Now that you've survived the supermarket, it's time for the final challenge, the checkout.
That's where I panic. The cashier scans too fast, the line moves, and I forget how to exist.
Perfect. We'll fix that. Next, we're going to practice paying, asking questions, and dealing with the cashier in English, naturally and calmly.
That's exactly what I need.
Good, because the next part is all about real checkout conversations. Let's keep going smoothly. Okay, Leo, here we are at the checkout. Deep breaths. We got this.
Deep breaths, and maybe some gum. I panic at the conveyor belt.
First, remember these simple phrases. I'll pay with cash. Can I pay with card? And do you accept contactless payment?
Got it. Can I pay with card as my go-to? Because I panic before I count cash.
Perfect. When the cashier scans items, you can keep the conversation tiny and polite. Could I have a bag, please? Or do you need my loyalty card?
Ooh, loyalty card. I always forget that, and then feel judged.
Nobody judges, but it's good to ask. Another useful line is, can I get a receipt, please? That's important if you need to return something later.
Receipt is like the golden ticket. Noted.
Now let's practice a full checkout dialogue. I'll be the cashier.
Okay.
Hello, did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, thank you. I did.
Will you be paying with cash or card?
Can I pay with card?
Sure. Please insert your card or tap for contactless.
Thank you.
Do you want a bag?
Yes, please. And could I get a receipt?
Of course. Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
Excellent. Short, polite, and effective. Now, what if something goes wrong, like your card is declined?
That would be catastrophic. What do I say?
Calmly. My card was declined. Can you try again? If it still fails, say, I'm sorry, can I pay with cash instead? Or, hold on, let me use another card.
That sounds doable. I like having fallback lines.
Good. For returns or exchanges, these phrases will help. I'd like to return this, please. I have the receipt. Can I get a refund? Or can I exchange this for a different size?
And if they ask why, I always freeze.
Keep it simple. It's the wrong size, or it's damaged, or I changed my mind. No long explanations needed.
Perfect. Short and honest.
Another common supermarket moment, asking about quantities and weights. You can say, how much is this per kilo? Or how many come in a pack?
How many come in a pack? That's going in my useful phrases list.
Also know how to ask for help finding the price tag. Excuse me, do you know the price of this? Or is there a price label for this item?
Great. I always wander with things and hope the machine tells me later.
One more practical tip. When you're packing your bags, you can be conversational but quick. Do you mind if I pack my bags here? Or I'll pack my bags myself, thanks.
I like the second one. Helps me avoid awkward bag packing choreography.
And when you leave the store, a friendly, have a good day, or thanks, see you, makes a nice closing impression.
Short, polite, and I can say that even with a mouthful of cereal.
Now let's do a quick run-through of the 5 essential phrases we started with and how they connect to everything else. Where can I find? Do you have? Is this on sale? Excuse me, I need help with? And can I pay with? Use them, then follow up with simple questions or actions like asking for a bag, a receipt, or how to pay.
It's weird how 5 phrases suddenly make me feel capable of fighting the grocery store.
That's language power. Tiny phrases, big confidence. Before we finish, here are a few final practice lines for you to repeat and memorize. Where can I find the bread? Do you have low-fat milk? Is this on sale today? Excuse me, I need help with the cheese. Can I pay with my phone?
Repeating them now. Where can I find the bread? Do you have low-fat milk? Is this on sale today? Excuse me, I need help with the cheese. Can I pay with my phone?
Perfect. You sound calm and ready. One last real-life mini scene. You notice a price error at the scanner. What do you say?
Excuse me, I think this scanned at the wrong price.
Exactly. And then, could you check the price, please? Very polite and to the point.
Okay, I think I can survive grocery shopping in English now. Maybe even thrive.
That's the spirit. Use these phrases regularly and they'll become automatic. Grocery stores are great places to practice because people are usually patient and helpful.
Unless you're me and knock over a display. Then it's a different kind of practice.
If that happens, say, I'm so sorry. Can I help clean this up? People appreciate honesty and willingness to help.
Good to know. Crisis management phrase unlocked.
All right, wrap-up time. Review the 5 essential phrases daily, practice short checkout dialogues, and try the scenarios we did. Little by little, shopping in English will feel natural.
Thanks, Anna. I feel more confident. I might even chat with a cashier next time.
That's the goal. Small conversations, big progress. See you next time for another real-life English lesson.
Bye, everyone. Happy shopping. And don't forget your shopping list.
Bye, and practice those phrases out loud. They work even better with snacks nearby.